Give it a second, everybody. Give me a second. All right. And happy Friday, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX Bots, broadcasting live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Happy Friday. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill, everybody, when you learn in the correct way. What is the goal? The goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. What does this mean? You're first an analyst, right? How to become a professional trader in an institutional way. Forex course 101, it's all about the market, and it's called the learning phase. And you are learning how to lose lesson here, right? And never forget, if you want the free ebook, everybody, give me a second. That's the menu, right? If you want the free ebook, the little book of trading secrets, please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. All right, it's for free, it doesn't cost you a cent. There's a pop-up waiting for you. And if you want the course manual, everybody, all right, just send me an email so you can download. Give me a second. So that you can download, and study, and ask questions and so on and so on and so on. Okay, everybody. And lastly, you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, everybody. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. We're going to talk about today a little bit about the strategy. You have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. We're going to work on this one too. So we're going to work on number 2 and number 3 today. Please disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. Okay, we are here to learn. And remember, if your way is not working for 5 years, not judging anybody, it was the same, all right? If your way is not working for 5 years, then, why don't you try mine, all right? This is the quote. All right, for questions and homeworks, you have the email and Skype for, Dave and everybody else who is going to participate in a group call. All right, everybody, so let's go here, and we are going to put the title simple trading strategy, right? Simple trading strategy. This is one, and we are going to write okay, it's a entry setup. I will enter at counter trend break with bullish candlestick formation at past support. All right, this is the entry setup rule. Hello, Alexander, how are you? Entry setup, I will enter at the counter trend line break with bullish candlestick formation. Today we have bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. I will enter with the counter trend line break. All right, so this is the entry setup, and next text is going to be stop loss goes. Now, and stop loss goes on. So I would like to join a few knowledge, everybody, talking about the swing, right? Stop loss goes on the, you cannot see it, right? Stop loss goes on the candlestick formation, okay, on the candlestick formation. Okay, just an example. And take profit goes, so here take profit goes equals to risk reward equals 1 per 2, right? Okay, everybody? It's a simple trading strategy. I will enter at the counter trend line break with bullish candlestick formation past support. All right, and one more. I will trade an uptrend. So the pattern is clear. I will trade an uptrend. All right. Does anybody have any currency pairs in an uptrend or crypto? You can type in the chat, everybody. All right. In the meantime, I'm going to try to find. So this is the strategy. Simple trading strategy, everybody. Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to try to find. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. And give me a second. Delete most of the things, right? 1 hour chart, let's find AUD CAD maybe. 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, 1 hour. Alright, oh good. First comes first is served. I'm going to wait for you, everybody. Okay, now do we agree that back in time the market broke this downtrend line? Do we agree, everybody? How to make money? How to make money with bullish candlestick formation? Do we agree, everybody, that this was back in time? The market broke the downtrend line on AUD CAD 1 hour chart. And joining the knowledge, if I'm trading on the 1 hour chart, what is the confirmation time frame? The daily. So do we agree that before I'm going to buy the 1 hour, do we agree that the daily it's in an up market wave? Do we agree, everybody? The daily it's in an up market wave, making up extension, retracement, up extension again, retracement. Do we agree on that? Okay. So the daily broke, right? The daily broke the counter trend line. The higher time frame broke the counter trend line, agreed? You know? So the daily is moving up, right? And then simultaneously on the 1 hour chart, and now this would be, you can type in the meantime other currency pairs, not a problem. So this would be the counter trend line break right in here, and we're going to hide the future. Okay. Entry setup. I will enter the counter trend line break with bullish candlestick formation at past support. Stop loss goes on the candlestick formation. Alright. Can you remember this, everybody? Are you going to remember that? Okay, so zooming in. Give it a second. There you go. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart or the daily, you know, we are going to chart what? We're going to chart, we've learned past support, because that's the strategy, right? Past support. Alright, and we're going to enter the retracements with the counter trendline break. So this is the first counter trendline break. Did the market react at past support? Everybody? Whoa, this is advanced. No, it's not. We are just trying to catch bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. So do we agree that the market's making higher highs, higher lows? Everybody? Do we agree that the market is not making lower lows, lower highs anymore? The market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs until here. But then the market stopped making lower lows, lower highs. Start making higher highs, higher lows. Do we agree on that? Therefore, we can chart a trend line, uptrend line too. If I transparent a little bit, right? To chart the trend line one more time. Chart the trend line, there you go. Do we agree on that, everybody? That we're in an uptrend? This is how you learn, exactly. Question number 1 from the simple trading strategy. Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, what do you say? Don't be shy, everybody. We are here to learn. Don't be shy. Is this a bullish candlestick formation? We had the first class about the anatomy of a candle. Would you say this is a bullish candlestick formation? Type in the chat. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Type in the chat. I don't know. Next question. Did this bullish candlestick formation appear at past support? Remember, our simple trading strategy is this one. Alright? Simple trading strategy, entry setup. I will enter at the counter trailing break with bullish candlestick formation at past support. Stop loss goes on the candlestick formation. Take profit is going to be 1 per 2. Risk reward. I will trade an uptrend. They no, it's not. Alright, why not? Why wouldn't this be? You don't need to bullish. You don't need to. Why wouldn't this be? Isn't this quite similar? Everybody, did you find the picture on the internet, on Google, that suits you? Why wouldn't this be 1, 2, 3? Isn't this like a textbook? Bullish shooting star? Everybody, what do you think? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? You don't need to know the names. Okay? So that's the strategy, and if this would be the case, we said, okay, stop loss goes below the candlestick formation. Question number 2, did the market react at past support? Oh, it is. All right. Very good. Did the market react at past support, everybody? Did the market react at past support? Past support is in here. See, we are moving forward with the knowledge. You're increasing the knowledge, right? You're building up the knowledge, the understanding on how this market works. If you have any other currency, pair or crypto, type in the chat, but it must be in an uptrend. Okay, so those are the rules we're going to enter. This is the stop loss, and getting out of this one. Let's say that I'm afraid, right? Let's say that I'm afraid, so I'm going to enter at the white one. Alright, so this is going to be the stop loss. And boss, how much should I risk? 0.5% is the answer. And 1 per 2, right? Why not? It's an example, you know, don't copy it blindly. It's an example just for you to understand, okay? So let's see how this is going to play out. We're monitoring the market, monitoring the market, monitoring the market. We were stopped out once. So the first one is a loser. Text, where is the text? Text. So number one equals to loser. Okay, everybody, we lost on the first trade. We're monitoring the market, and here again, counter trend line break. What is this one called? This trend line still stands. Everybody, what is this? Oh, boss, this is double bottom. True, you have double bottoms. So we're going to enter here. Stop loss below the candlestick formation and clone, right? We're going to go 1 per 2 again. Give me a second. Boss, can I put the stop loss on the other parameter? Yes, you can. It's just an example, everybody, makes sense? So let's see how this is going to play out. Boss, the market didn't react at past support. It did, everybody. Support, resistance, pivot points are areas. Remember, support, resistance, pivot points are areas. Okay, are not lines to the pip. Does this make sense? So let's see how this is going to play out, and moving forward, we're going to see more of them, more of those. So here too, counter trend line break. Did this react? Did this react to some level of past support? Maybe not like this, everybody. So the market went down to here. Maybe not, right? Not from the upward. Okay, so no entry in here. Not an entry. Moving forward, moving forward, moving forward. Moving forward, almost there. Almost there, almost there. Moving forward, almost there. You know, give it a second and bam. We won, right? So the first was a loser. The second one, it's a winner. Number 2 equals winner. All right. Are we profitable by now? Are we profit? One loser, one winner. Risk reward 1 per 2. Are we profitable? Can you do this? Boss, this is too simplistic. Don't compare yourself to an advanced trader yet. This is Forex course 101. This is technical crypto course 101. Okay, you don't need to overcomplicate strategies. Does this make sense? Would we be in profit right now? We have one loser, one winner, okay. Now, unfortunately, our strategy doesn't say anything about if we need to wait for a retracement, right? I will trade an uptrend. It doesn't say, you know, everybody, if this is an uptrend, you can have another rule that you are going to buy a retracement, end of the retracement on the uptrend. Does this make sense? Or you can also buy an extensions. Okay, there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. We don't have this rule. All right. Boss, can I buy an extensions and end of retracement? Yes, you can. But if you are going to, this is intermediate trader talk right now. If you're going to buy up in here, risk less. Okay, if you're risking 0.5% down in here, hedge fund managers hedge fund managers, if you're risking 0.5% down in here, risk 0.25% up in here, hedge fund managers. Would this make sense? There is no right, it's your strategy. It's your strategy, everybody. So this is what we're going to do, okay? So we're going to, so this is the winner here, and that's the market. Let's see. Let's wait for another. We need to see a retracement, everybody. The market still going up, going up, going up, going up, going down finally. All right, so left, down, left, down, left, down, left, right. Building a set of stairs. Okay, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful textbook. Bullish candlestick formation, everybody. So let's do one by one. Uptrend line, we need to readjust the uptrend line, everybody. We need to readjust the uptrend line like this. That's the uptrend line still. That's the candle, right? So we are here right now, and from the strategy, question number one, is this a bullish candlestick formation? If yes, it's a check. Did this bullish candlestick formation react to past support? What do you think, everybody? Do we have the criteria to say check on the bullish candlestick formation, check on counter trend line break, check on the past support? Hedge fund trader date, what do you think? Date, I'm going to let you in the they do have pen and paper. Date, I'm going to let you in the system course, okay, just to talk to the guys. Okay, on Saturday, 9:30 a.m. Brazilian time. Okay, just for you to meet the guys. It's going to be 4 hours, but anyway, you're going to see how those guys build systems. Okay, it should be the advanced institutional trader call, but I don't have time, so okay, but it's going to be 4 hours. You're welcome to be there for 4 hours or get out, you know. If it's boring, just get out, you know. Okay, it's going to be a group call on exactly, because everybody, it's the system workshop. Most of the guys are in the system workshop. Okay, Date, would this be okay, or do you want to wait for the Forex course 2 lesson? Okay, that would be nice, okay? And don't worry, most likely it's going to be too much information for you, okay? You are there to meet the guys, to ask questions, okay? Alright, everybody, back to the lesson. Question number one, is this a bullish candlestick formation? Question number two, did this reaction happen at past support? No, I'll be there all the time. All good? Did this counter trend line break happen at past support, everybody? You can say yes, you can say no. You can say I don't know, I'm new, I don't know, you know. Would this make sense? There is no right or wrong. It's a simple strategy. Yes, boss. Alright, so stop loss goes something like this, you know, 10 pips or points below, and it's 1 per 2. Clone, and let's see. Whoa, stopped again. So we lost on the third trade, everybody. And oh, we are here right now. We lost on the third trade. Number one was a loser, number two was a winner. Boss, this was a news announcement, alright. So you can put a rule, no trading during news announcements, alright. But because we don't have such a rule, the third one, number 3, equals loser, losing trade. Okay, everybody, do you have any other? Let's find other currency pairs in an uptrend. Alexander says yes and yes. All right, all good. Counter trend line break on this one. Thank you very much. All right. None of you is going to do like this, right? But we can do like this if you want. What is this one called, right? It's a difficult one to spot, everybody, but you have here, that was the news. Thank you very much. CPI from yesterday. No, it cannot be CPI from yesterday. It's the 1 hour chart. Everybody, so what you're looking at here is the bullish piercing line. Okay, this is theory from the picture, from the internet. This is now the live market. Alright, so let's find another clone chart. Alright, let's find another pair who is going up on the 1 hour chart. Let's check AUD NZD maybe. AUD NZD going down. How would we trade AUD NZD? One, so daily chart, everybody. I'm not comfortable with this pair, if I'm honest. Okay, it's not trending. Let's go to find another one. AUD NZD not. AUD USD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD consolidating. Euro CAD maybe. Going down. Lower lows or highs. Euro GBP. Not yet. We talked about Euro GBP. Euro dollar going down. GBP CHF. Not enough. Don't we have any pair in an uptrend? Oh right, finally, right? GBP USD. GBP USD. All right. That's a nice one, everybody. So how would you chart and understand the market? Fibonacci out. Okay, everybody, technical analysis 101. You would have an uptrend line and the market broke the uptrend line. Then you would have a downtrend line and the market broke the downtrend line, and then you would have an uptrend line, right? Something like this. Okay. And you would wait for end of retracement, right? So extension. There you go. Market wave, yes. Or market structure trends also. Everybody, do we agree that the market was making higher highs, higher lows on GBP USD? Then it stopped making higher highs, higher lows, started making lower lows, lower highs, and then stopped making lower lows, lower highs, and start making higher highs, higher lows. Do we agree on that? Do we agree on that? All good? Okay, so now we are going to go, this is the uptrend line, this is the count. Now let's go on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, and we are here, right? 1 hour chart, there you go. One-hour chart. Yes, you need to wait for the market to break the daily, right? If you don't do it, thank you very much for, not on YouTube everybody, but on the other streaming platform. If you don't wait for the daily, everybody, you are going to lose money. Okay? What would happen statistically most of the time if you would trade an uptrend, if you would trade bullish candlestick formations in here? You don't need to be a genius, everybody, to understand this. What would happen statistically if you would not wait for the market to break the downtrend line? We are trying to upgrade your knowledge, and you would buy bullish candlestick formations. What would happen? Boss, I don't know. Just try to go against the market, try to go against the trend. Boss, but there is no uptrend. It is. When the daily is making lower lows, lower highs, listen up, listen up, listen up. When the daily is making lower lows, lower highs, every retracement on the daily, you would have a bullish uptrend on the 1 hour chart. Boss, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. When the daily is in a retracement on the market wave, when the daily is in a retracement in an up market wave, blue one, but it's retracing down, when the daily is in a retracement on the market wave, making lower lows, lower highs on the daily, the red one, every retracement on the short-term trend on the daily, it's an uptrend on the 1 hour chart. You need to learn those things. Those are the very basics of the Forex course 101. This is the foundation. You need to learn this. Are there any questions about that? Any questions? Charting, it's number one, everybody. You learning how to chart the charts, the price action. You learning how this market moves, and you learning that on GBP/USD daily chart, you learning that when the market is in a retracement on the market wave on the blue, and the market is in a retracement, price action is going to make lower lows, lower highs, you are going to have a short-term downtrend. So every retracement on this short-term downtrend is going to appear like an uptrend on the 1 hour. Download this lesson and repeat, take a program and take these 5 minutes that I'm talking to you and roll it every day over and over and over. Hear it over and over. Make sense? Make it if you're driving a car, hear me talking to you. Those are concepts of the Forex course 101. You need to learn this stuff, everybody. This is the learnable skill. You cannot make money. I don't care what strategy you have. I promise you, you won't be consistently profitable until you learn those stuff. Would this make sense? I can give you my strategy. It has a proven edge. You are not going to make any money. I promise you that. Why is that, boss? Because you are lacking foundation. Would this make sense? If you don't learn how to, you don't need to be, nobody's perfect. If you don't learn how to chart in the correct way, my Fibonacci strategy is going to be up and your Fibonacci strategy is going to be down. You are going to trade against me. Would this make sense? As a matter of fact, this is what you're doing already. Okay? Thank you very much. Not on YouTube, but one student on the other streaming platform was asking, oh, is it necessary to wait for a counter trendline break or a down trendline break on the daily? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. Okay, everybody? Now we have a counter trendline break. We go on the 1 hour chart. Where is the counter trendline break? There you go. So this is the market now. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Past support, past support, past support. Beautiful past support, everybody. And starting from uptrend line. This is the uptrend line, everybody. This is the up market wave on the 1 hour chart so far. Boss, this is a lot of information. Boss, too much information. It's not. You need to rewatch the videos. Practice, practice, practice. Okay? If you are new to the show, go to Dukascopy Academy and rewatch everything one more time. Everybody, if you didn't see, go to my YouTube channel. It's called, there is a handle, I don't know what is this one, but try to find Mike the FX Boss or send me an email. I'm going to send you the channel, you know, and look at Forex Course 202. You're going to see the level of the guys, you know. If you want, not mandatory. But if you're complaining, oh, this is too much information, it's not. This is basic stuff. They said it's intimidating. It was intimidating, right? All right, everybody, let's try to implement. What's the time? It's Friday, so we're going to implement the strategy now. Is this one, 1, 2, 3, a bullish candlestick formation? Is this one the bullish candlestick formation? And because we're almost out of time, everybody, I'm going to tell you this is not a bullish candlestick formation because of a center candle. The center candle should be bullish, but it has a bearish pressure. So everybody, this is not a bullish candlestick formation. See, the next one it is, right? See the next one? Beautiful. See, the first candle is bearish, huge bearish body. Here too, huge bearish body. Central candle, it was bearish. That one is bullish, bullish pressure. And then the third candle is bullish. This is, it's bigger, but this is still bullish, all right? So question number one, do we have a counter trend line break? Question number two, is this a bullish candlestick formation from the strategy asking? Question number three, did the market react to past support? Did the market react to past support? No, it didn't. Remember, it's not aligned to the pip. Those are areas. Those are areas, everybody. You must train your brain not to understand the space support like a line. It's an area. Okay? It's an area, exactly. If you say it's not, it's alright. Just for the exercise, let's say everybody, so this is the stop loss, and give me a second, and clone 1 per 2, 1 per 2, one more time, clone 1 per 2, and let's see how this is going to go. Whoops, almost there, bam. Trade number 4, winner. Are we making money? Number 4 equals to a winner. Are we profitable, everybody, overall? We have 2 winners, we have 2 losers too. Are we profitable overall? Yes or no? There is no right or wrong. It's just an example of a strategy. Make sense? Stop loss, entry setup, take profit. It's up to you, not me. It's just an example. But are we profitable overall? Yes, we are profitable. All right, so let's move forward. Trying to find the next opportunity. Trying to find the next opportunity. Now, even though, everybody, this could be a bullish candlestick formation, 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, there is no past support, right? No past support, if you ask me, at least. Boss, is support a high? Most likely, yes, must be a high, right? So this is not even support, but I'm building a set of stairs anyway. And the market went up again. No entry. If you know, I know it's subject to interpretation, everybody. But looking here, it would be a loser, see? If I put the stop loss on the below the candle, it would be a loser. So it's a cliche quote, worth repeating. Better to be out of the market, better to be out of the trade and wishing to be in, compared to being in a trade and wishing to be out. It's a cliche quote, I know, but it's worth repeating to beginner traders. Come on, this doesn't want to retrace anymore. 1, 2, 3. Looking for a bullish candlestick formation. Looking for a bullish candlestick formation. Looking for a bullish candlestick. So it's going down, right? Okay, everybody. Should you buy bullish candlestick formations in a downtrend? Should you buy this candlestick formation? Just an example. Should you buy this bullish candlestick formation? There are bullish candlestick formations in a downtrend, sure. Remember a few days ago, we wrote down in an uptrend, I'm going to only buy bullish candlestick formation and never, ever, ever, and you were writing ever, 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 ever sell bearish candlestick formation. In a downtrend, I'm going to sell bearish candlestick formation and never, ever, 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 100 times, ever, never, ever buy bullish candlestick formation. If you buy bullish candlestick formation in a downtrend, you are going against the market. Would this make sense? If you are buying bullish candlestick formations in a downtrend, you are going against the market. Scalpers too. You are lowering your probability, everybody. And if you are shorting or selling bearish candlestick formations in an uptrend, you are going against the market too. Do you understand, everybody, now the technical game of understanding? You as an analyst, first, you must understand if you have bought bullish candlestick formation in here and there was, and you've lost, you must understand why. This is how you learn becoming a trader. Make sense? You must as a brain, looking at the chart, you must understand where are you, where is the price action. Would this make sense to you? So if you buy bullish candlestick formation and you lose, this is good. How can this be good? I lost. It's good because you are learning why did you lose. Once you're, everybody, why your friends are not growing up? They're not stupid. Your friends are not growing up because the losers don't have any structure. They are losing constantly, but they don't understand why they are losing constantly. When you have a loser and you understand why did you lose, like, oh my gosh, you know, I have a loser, but I can understand why did I lose. I went against the market. Be happy. When the loser makes sense to you, graphically or technically, just don't do it again. That's the formula. Would this make sense? Learn how to lose less. This is why we have here, everybody. You are going to graduate from this course when you have your strategy in place and you understand why you win and why you lose. You understand how you win and how you lose. You understand that the probabilistic thinking makes sense? You understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. Do you see a different mindset? Beginner retail traders, when they lose, they think that something is wrong. And they judge themselves, oh, you know, no, I'm not capable, this is too difficult, you know, why I'm losing and winning, you know, I cannot understand this market. Make sense? This is the retail trader mentality. Institutional trader, oh, I have a loser, but I understand why. Where was the lower probability? Institutional trader, we are happy. Would this make sense? In growing up. This goes against human nature, everybody. This is you see me on YouTube videos doing like this, oh, homeostasis, homeostasis. This goes against human nature. And this goes against the programming. What is the programming, boss? That you cannot make mistakes. Would this make sense? Alright, everybody, after this beautiful sermon, see you back on Monday. Have a great weekend. Alright, download this video. Rolling in the car. I don't remember what I said before, but you know, it was like, oh, you must understand that when the daily is retracing, every retracement on the 1 hour chart is going to appear as an uptrend. But when you buy an uptrend and it's really a downtrend on the higher time frame, you are going to lose. Most of the time, statistically speaking. Everybody, one of the most difficult things, let me give you a golden nugget because it's Friday. One of the most difficult things retail traders struggle in the advanced institutional trader course is the understanding that one trade means nothing and that the edge it's measured with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trades. But we, the retail traders, you know, me and you, we're like, oh, I lost again, what's wrong with me? Oh, this strategy doesn't work, right? Or this methodology doesn't work, this indicator, it doesn't work, you know. And some of us, me too, back in time, I'm the first one to admit it, some of us are doing this for 5 years. Some of us are changing, you know it, I know some of you, you know you are changing strategies for 5 years, don't you? It's time to grow up. It's time to grow up, everybody. And before we finish, never forget, everybody, Black Friday, what is Black Friday? Not mandatory, no, don't worry, no. This is going to be 50% off Black Friday week. Okay? And again, if you're from Philippines, Thailand, Brazil, send me an email, you're going to have a different cost. This cost is for USA, Europe, Canada, Australia. Alright? Nigeria, Africa, different, the lower income countries, you have a different cost.